Simple Internet Safety Rules for Kids. Welcome to Internet Safety. Let's learn how to stay safe online with some fun and important tips. Let's get started. Why Internet safety is important. The Internet is fun, but we need to be safe. So here's how to protect ourselves online. Rule number 1, don't share personal information. Keep your name, address, and phone number private and share only with trusted adults. Rule number 2, be careful with what you click. Not everything online is safe. Don't click on ads, pop ups, and strange links. Always ask an adult if you're unsure. Rule number 3, talk to an adult if something feels wrong. Tell an adult if you feel uncomfortable. It is okay to ask for help. Quick tips for safe online fun. Number 1, use nicknames, not your real name. Number 2, play on trusted websites. And number 3, avoid talking to strangers, to people you don't know. Remember the rules. Don't share personal info. Be careful with clicks and talk to an adult.